Hi again and welcome back. My name is Ashley. In today's tutorial we're going to be working with the Splurge cream eyeshadows as well as these loose pigments. So instead of a pressed shadow, it's just like it says, loose. We'll dump some into the lid and we'll work with it from there. So to get started, first I'm going to get this cream shadow. This is in the color Victorious. And I've got my cream shadow brush here and we're just going to swipe some off onto the brush, and I'm going to put that above the crease. And it's really light, kind of just a nude color. So it's not going to show up too dark. Okay, and then once we have that on, I'm going to come and get this other cream shadow in the color Jubilant, and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. And this one's really light as well, so it's not going to show up too bright or too dark. This one it's called Dusty Rose. A really light, nice pink. Okay, and then once I have that on, I'm going to get this pigment in the color Vulnerable. And I'm just going to dump some of that into the lid. And then I've got some water here. I'm going to dip my deluxe brush just in a little bit of water, not too much, and I'm going to stir it around in the lid. And then I'll be applying that on this outer half of the lid. Okay, and then I'm going to come in with another loose pigment. This is in the color Sexy. It's just really just a light shimmer, and we're going to be applying that to the inner half of the lid. Bringing it down to the inner corner as well to highlight. And then I'm going to sweep it up under the brow. Okay, and now I'm just going to finish up on the other side real quick. Okay, and now this is the final look. Now, I'm not much of a pretty pink kind of a gal. This isn't a look I would normally do, but I kind of like it. Although, you should see my childhood bedroom because it was bright pink. But, that being said, I hope you liked this tutorial and I hope you try it out. And thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.